Wahala for Nollywood industry as Regina Daniels and Angela Okorie they are at it again, like they don dey banter again for social media, guys. In short, this one they say they no gree for each other. Dem go finish themselves for the streets of social media. Even Regina, she no mind though, say Angela Okorie na even sef don reach to born her. She said she give her own woto woto, guys. A backstory on how everything take start. So Angela na im first take to her social media platform to go post video wey she dey talk say she hear say Mercy Johnson dey sick, say at this point say the kind of sickness wey she dey sick, say she no wish that kind of sickness on her enemy. So because of that, say she don forgive Mercy Johnson, say Mercy Johnson since has been forgiving all those stuff. So now as she come post that thing finish, na even live video na im she dey talk that thing. So after the live video na im Regina Daniels come outside to come reply wetin Angela Okorie talk, because you know say all of us know say Mercy Johnson and Regina Daniels dem dey in good terms. So na im Regina Daniels come talk say, I am sorry, with all due respect, Aunty Angela, you dey craze. Abeg no forgive, because for this side we no dey forgive. Continue and wise at it. No forget say she get pikin wey gidigba. No dey shalaye. That is Regina dey refer to herself as Mercy Johnson pikin. Na wetin she tell Angela Okorie. Omo, as Angela see this one, Angela come outside, she spark. Omo, na im she come outside come rot at Regina Daniels so like hungry lion. Na im Angela Okorie come post come talk say, you are like a child to me. You grew up in my presence. You used to come to my house with your mom. At some point, I thought you are sensible enough to marry a man your age. Hell no, because of greed for wealth, private jets, flying around, I mean, like things you can possibly do for yourself, but rather you married a man who is supposed to be your great grandfather. The kind of low ICU you have, that is why I advise this younger generation to make their own money, so you give yourself the life you desire. My child, you shouldn't be talking where I'm talking. I am a definition of who you wish to be, but you had to marry an old man to give you the exact life I give myself. I won't banter words with you. You just want trend because it's really a long time Nigerians remembered you and your old man. You feel because you married a grandpa you can talk to me? If you insult me again, I will remind you what you have forgotten. Last warning at Regina Daniels. I no dey see anybody wey no get respect o. Na wetin Angela Okorie don come out to talk be dis, guys. As Angela talk all these things for social media, na im Regina sef come outside to come reply her own, to come blast her. Regina come post come talk say, she come say, Aunty Were, I married an old man, but he is certainly not your regular kind of old man. He is everything your kind prays for but can't attract. Don't get me started to tell the world how you were chasing this same old man. Now let your age reflect your reasoning. Clearly you failed because a girl that once admired you when she was 6 years old sees you as nothing to write home about. And for Christ's sake, stop comparing yourself to me. It will be a huge disrespect to everyone that supports my movement. You and I are not the same, not even close. I am bigger than you are your entire music or movie career. Let's not even mention my mama, Mercy Johnson, whose name rings the loudest bell. I don't need scandals or shadows to shine. Age? Talking about age, it's just a number. What truly counts is how you've lived, what you've built, and who you've become. The roads I've walked, the milestones I've hit with grace, not disgrace, are places your bitterness will never carry you to. Na wetin Regina come outside to come reply Angela Okorie, guys. Omo, these two people, e just be like say this one go don hit Angela so hard, so bad, like, and I'm so sure she's going to definitely come outside to come reply Regina Daniels, guys. Omo, hey, social media dey on buzz. Come see comment section, people just dey talk, say wetin happen, say some dey support Regina o, say Regina do well by replying Angela Okorie, say Angela Okorie is a big person, she's this one, she's that one, say some sef still dey support wetin be her name, Angela Okorie, say na dis person Rachel Daniels na im dey at fault, say she for no put mouth for adult matter, and besides sef Angela Okorie no talk anything bad about or concerning Mercy Johnson. Omo comment section dey on burst, but me I feel like say Regina no suppose dey fight another person battle, she for just leave am, as long as say no be her mama gangan, like no be mama wey born her. But me I come dey reason am sef say e fit be say she don take Mercy Johnson on a very very high level or high esteem for her to come outside to come talk for Mercy Johnson, guys, like to show say their relationship no dey only for social media eyes alone, like they don get that very strong connection for her to come outside to come stand for Mercy Johnson, guys, like and me I feel like say Angela for just even at this point make she know, if there be Angela or man no talk na me, if I fit advise Angela, I go just make she just die the matter, make she just forget about it, because for this particular reply wey Regina Daniels give her, she really finish her, I no go lie. She Regina Daniels finish work for this one, I no go lie. Omo, she finish her woto, she finish her wetin no good. But on the other hand, make dem just try to settle their differences, of which I know say they no go ever settle, because this celebrity and our wahala no be here o, my people, no be small thing, no be small kasala. My people, abeg make una tell me wetin una think about this video. Drop me your comment, your sincere comment, abeg, who una feel say dey wrong for this matter, Angela Okorie abi na Regina Daniels. And I'll try my best to reply every single one of your comments, guys. Keep them coming. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more celebrity trending gist, guys, and I go see una for my next video. Bye.